How do you build a lecture? How do you build a shiur? How do you build a class? That's a very important question. The first thing is, I'm always preparing. There's no such a thing, now there's a day off. Every time I learn, every time I read, it's all part of the preparation. You never know where it's going to go, how it's going to end up somewhere, but you're always preparing. It's extremely important to ask yourself, what is the fundamental idea that I'm conveying to people? Is there something powerful here? Is there something that's going to expand their horizons? Is it something that's going to ignite a spark in them? Structure. People often talk and talk, but there's no structure. You need a beginning, a middle, and an end. Get up, tell them what you're going to tell them, then tell it to them. Tell them what you told them, and sit down. To be able to speak to the people in a way that they feel connected to you. Today we're going to explore, how are we supposed to understand? You want to be able to connect to them. They should feel your heart. They should feel your pulse. They should feel your imagination. They should feel your soul. It's also important to focus how you're going to end. Thank you. How are you going to end? What are you leaving people with? People are going to come home and say, wow, it was amazing. What did he say? It was amazing. What did he say? I don't know. Give them something that they can take home. These are some of the components that go in preparing a lecture.